In this video, I'll show you how to create the January dump, add your story on Instagram. So if you want to become a part of this January dump, add your story, then let me show you how to create this. So to do this, first go to your app store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Here you're tapping on search and you're searching for this account, add your sticks. So once you see it, go ahead and visit the profile page. Now here, you want to scroll down until you see the highlight section. Tap on Jan 2024 P4. And once that loads, you want to go ahead and browse through these trending, add your story until you find the one that you're looking for. So to become a part of this trending, add your story, go ahead and tap on add yours. And now you want to go ahead and upload your photos, which you've taken in January. And there you go. That is how to become a part of this trending add your story called January dump on Instagram. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.